Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you are watching us from. This is Emmytech, the head of operation. My name is Emmanuel Okishini. So I'm here to introduce our company to you, which is Emmytech Electrical Installation and Maintenance Company. You can follow us on our social media or subscribe to our social media platform. On Instagram, we are Emmytech 190, Emmytech 190, and on Facebook we are Emmytech Electrical Installation and Maintenance. That's our Facebook page, and our YouTube channel is also the same thing with Facebook, Emmytech Electrical Installation and Maintenance. And you can message us directly on our Gmail at emmytech901 at gmail.com. Also, you can also chat us on TikTok. We are available on TikTok at Emmytech109. Also, that's our social media handle. And you can chat us on WhatsApp directly. It's 08165535933. That's our WhatsApp number. And this is our service that we render. This is the service we render. We are into electrical wiring installation, both maintenance and installation or upgrading. We are into it. We are into surface wiring, conduit wiring, and trunking wiring too. We are available to help you to install your work or maintain what others engineers have done. We can also help you to maintain it. And also, we are into inverter system. Solar inverter system. So we are into solar inverter system. People do say, let some pay your bill. That's true. And it is very, very, very good for us. Most of us in Nigeria, because of our grid is not encouraging. If you have the inverter in your home, in your working place, in your office, in your shop or in your store, you will know what I'm talking about. It's very okay and good. Also, we are into thunder arresting installation to prevent your gadgets or your home appliances from lightning, so that lightning will not spoil all your electrical gadgets. We are into that. And we are into CCTV camera installation for security purpose and to maintain. Maybe you are not around, you will have access to everything in your house. Even if your workers at home are doing something you don't like, you surely see them in your mobile phone with the CCTV camera. And also, we are into electrical fencing for this security purpose. Also, we are into that. And the last one, we are into telecommunication, both wireless and cable one. We are into that. Maybe you have a hotel, you have an office, even in some building, in some house. Yes, you can use that also. That is our service we render. Let me call the social media handle again. Our social media handle on WhatsApp, you can reach us on this number 08165535933. And on Facebook, you can also reach us at Facebook at Emmytech Electrical Installation and Maintenance. Yes. And on on Instagram at Emmytech190. And our Gmail is Emmytech901 at gmail.com. You can also follow us on TikTok at Emmytech109 on TikTok. And on our YouTube channel, you can also follow us on YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, share. We have some video there on YouTube. You can check us out. I know it's scam, and we do we do treat our customer way. Yes. Our Facebook name is Emmytech Electrical Installation and Maintenance. You can follow us there. And the last thing, there is room for learning. Yes, if you want to learn, if you have anything, if you are interested in all what we have said, yes, there is room for learning. We have some students that they are with us, they're learning. In fact, some engineers too that want to upgrade themselves, they are with us. We work together. If you want to learn anything, also you can learn from our social media platform too, whether Facebook, YouTube, because we do drop any work we do. And also there is a tutorial on all the channel that will be starting soon. There is a tutorial. So follow the channel, like, share, and comment. So thank you guys. Thank you.